no geoengineering, chemtrails or cloud seeding visible here in the skies. As you can see behind me and above and in the surrounding, there is no visibility of chemtrails. So what we see that the weather here is normal and we can see at least the normal clouds. So this is normal, and we hope that the geoengineering trials or the chemtrails are not conducted here, where by many medical researchers it is in scientific studies that is causing health hazards, respiratory issues, and earache, eye itching, and in further scientific studies more to come. So we hope to remain without these experimental trials that is going to cause health hazards for the future generation.